Hey folks, how's it going? Andy Patlan, yet again with another rehab project that we're working in the San Antonio area. We are in the heart of San Antonio, right outside of 410, right behind that North Star Mall area. Guys, we've got this unique project out here. It's a little home, a diamond in the rough, if you will, that we found about 2 weeks ago. And let me tell you, we walked countless properties, countless properties. I must have walked 10 properties in the last week, and this is the one diamond in the rough that we found that we thought we could put a little bit of money behind, a little bit of muscle behind to rehab it and get a good return on investment. Let me show you what we have. It's listed as a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's listed as 1,256 square feet, although it does have an add-on. It's a 1959 year built. So I'll let you guys go ahead and just take a look. Again, it's rough now, but it's got character. That's really what we like. And we like to work with homes where it's not going to take a full demo or demolition to redo. I really love this entry partition here. Really gorgeous, gives us some character. We're going to change out the carpet. We're going to texture the walls. Something we do with all our rehabs. Do some new light fixtures. We've got one bedroom here. We're going to enclose this bedroom so we can get into that second bedroom over there, just to give it a little bit more of a separation between the walls. Again, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1959 year build, and we're thinking this is going to be about a 5-week project. We walk dozens and dozens of homes before we find one that we can actually put our name on, and this is one of them. We're going to take off the brown panel board here. It's got some really good bones underneath. It's got some sheetrock underneath. This is that 3rd bedroom that we're going to enclose on the other side. It's going to have access here. This is that 2nd living area that's been added on. It's got a lot of potential, and we're ready to get into it. With the help of our contractors, with the help of our team, we think we can turn this around and really make it something special. It's got the main bath here. This is the master bedroom. It's got the master bath over here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where we really put our expertise to work. Finding that house, finding that diamond in the rough. You can walk a dozen properties and maybe come up with one property that's worth rehabbing. That's what we do for you. We want to help you get into that flip game. We've been doing it. I've been here for 15 years. I'm not going anywhere. We're looking for partners. We want you to invest with us. My number 512-784-0048. Andy Patlan. Call me today. Let's do this. Hablamos español.